911, what's your emergency?
I finished all them brownies.
Sir, this line is for emergencies.
Oh, then I'm real glad I called. I got an emergency all right, 'cause I just realized that my body's a haunted house. 'Cause inside, there's a skeleton, a ghost, and blood and shit all over the walls.
How many brownies did you eat, sir?
Well, I either ate Glornblumium or Glornplumbloomium, but farther along in slop.
Are those supposed to be numbers, sir?
Gets and bobbin'.
Is that supposed to be a yes, sir?
Pleel bloop.
Sir, I think your brain broke.
Florm gleep, flormalade, glish and boot, mayonnaise, back scratch, crouton, flarp.
Goodbye, sir.
Gorn